I don't know where we're going. So we got Drayco Dragon in front, Strike Rides, the Asian 08 Street Triple behind me, and my buddy Dom still. This is the group. We're gonna go somewhere, I don't know where. And there's the Asian. Little guy with a big helmet. Damn, what's up, baby? He's got the right idea. Is it just me, or is his exhaust look off? Like it looks crooked and tilted, and I guess that's what happens when you buy a Honda. And you can't even see his plate. Illegalness. Oh God, we're gonna die. Which one of them am I gonna kill switch? Fucking douche, look at that, oh my God. Did you guys just see him get cut off? Fucking prick. Dingleberries. Dingleberries in the sunshine. My favorite type of berry is a dingleberry. Gotcha.
It's on the left-hand side.
Oh God. Ugh. Oh. Oh God. So my ball sack is on fire. Hey. What a douche. This thing's so loud, oh my God. Sounds like when I beat my hookers. So we just ate at the beer market, me, nachos, an Asian rider. I'm telling you, this chick like hated us because we were either bikers or we were men, because the food was bomb, dude. I had the fucking fattest pretzel ever. Like, I don't know. But so this chick went to like, she had 3 tables. She went to her other 2 tables maybe like 10 times before she came to us. Like, she hated us for some fucking reason, I don't know. But the food was bomb, thanks to Mr. Moto Nachos, aka Drayco Dragon, for paying. Thanks, bud. Should I eat it at the Tilted Kilt? See all the little strippers, waitresses. Well, I'm gonna have to say that that's it for me. I got nothing else funny for you. Nothing else to say. This was a random video, random motovlog. It wasn't even a motovlog, it was some random niche shit. Deuces.